There you go. Which one is that in that thing? That's the vinyl cut. Okay. Oh yeah. Look how strong. That's right. Look how strong Mark is.
All right, so I have my vinyl cutter, right, from Heat Press Nation. It's an Expert 2, and I'm excited about to do this unboxing. Okay. That's what we're working with, huh? Get this thing down a little bit. There you go, right there. He ready to come up out of there and start cutting. All right, so this thing wasn't really that heavy. Do got some size and some lips on it. First I'll just take these out, and then I'll lift it up. Matter of fact, I'm gonna set it on the floor so I can put it on the table. Had to get this table just for this, with my heat press. Expert 2. Got some Zuzus and Wham Whams up in the box. Get that up out of there. First, let's look at some of the stuff that came with it. I've been watching a lot of videos on YouTube, unboxing videos for this thing, and I said this thing, the Vinyl Cutter Expert 2 from Heat Press Nation. And none of them showed me what this is yet. I see two plugs that we got here. One of them goes to the computer to send the designs from the software over to the cutter to be cut onto the vinyl. And there's a power cable there. Here's the actual software disk right here, which is going to be a great tool to have. And so we got some other little tools here used for actual cutting. So, and let's see a quick installation manual. So I'll make sure I take a look at that so I can know what I'm doing when I'm setting this thing all up. All right, here we go. Plastic up off of here. This is just the beginning. I can't wait to get the first cut on here. We're gonna have this thing for long-term uses. Ooh. First time slapping him on. Ooh. Okay. This thing we got lift out. All right, he ready to go.